Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore deleted transactions in QuickBooks so you can recover your financial data and ensure your books stay perfectly balanced in 2026. Let's get into it. First, access the audit log dashboard. The first step is entering the administrative brain of your QuickBooks account, which tracks every single action taken within your company file. Log into your QuickBooks online account. Click on the Settings or Gear icon located in the top right corner of your dashboard. Under the Tools column, find and select Audit Log. In 2026, QuickBooks does not have a recycle bin for transactions. Instead, the audit log serves as a permanent digital trail. It records when a transaction was created, edited, or deleted, and, most importantly, who performed the action. Opening this log is the only way to find the ghost data of the transaction you accidentally removed. Next, filter for deleted transactions. Now that you are in the log, you need to filter out the noise of daily entries to find exactly what was lost. Click the Filter button in the top left of the audit log screen. Set the user to All Users, the date to whenever the deletion occurred, and most importantly, set the Events filter to Transactions. Within the submenu, check the box for deleted/voided transactions. Click Apply. Large business files can have thousands of log entries per day. By applying these specific 2026 filters, you narrow the list down to only the items that have been removed from your ledger. This saves you from scrolling through endless login attempts and settings changes to find that one specific missing invoice or expense. Lastly, locate and expand the deleted entry. Once the list is filtered, you can identify the specific transaction and pull up the historical data required to recreate it. Clicking View opens a detailed audit history of that specific event. In 2026, QuickBooks provides a side-by-side comparison of what the transaction looked like before it was deleted. Since you cannot undelete with a single button, this screen is vital because it provides the exact account numbers, customer names, and tax amounts you'll need to put the data back in. And that's pretty much it. To restore a deleted transaction in 2026, go to your audit log, filter for deleted/voided transactions, and click View to see the original details. Then simply use the plus New button to manually re-enter the information exactly as it was, and check your reports to make sure everything is back in balance. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.